Hello, I'm Jackie Goddard from Power to Speak. And I was once told that in order to make the maximum impact, you should always start your speech, presentation, talk, or sales pitch with a disturbing fact. So I've got one for you. According to the Mental Health Institute, 73% of people are more afraid of speaking in public than they are of dying. Now, that's a disturbing fact. But I've got another one for you. Did you know that the word for the fear of public speaking is glossophobia? No, me neither. So if you have glossophobia, then please come and join me at the Digital Circus Live on the 28th of March, where I'll show you how you can get comfortable, confident, and even excited about speaking to your audience. So what are you waiting for? Go and buy your ticket and come and run away to the Digital Circus Live with me. I look forward to seeing you there.